Google just announced their highly anticipated Q2 earnings, beating both top and bottom line estimates. Revenues grew 14% year over year to hit $96.43 billion, well ahead of estimates for $94 billion, where analysts expected only an 11% increase. Now, if we look at how the stock is moving after hours, it's up about 1.72%. Therefore, we're seeing some fluctuation in after hours trading as a result of the positive earnings. Now, we all want to know where the stock is headed in the future, but let's take a step back for just a second. Over the past year, Google is up only about 4.3%, and year to date, it's up only 0.46%. Now, the crazy part is, it was trading at around $146 during April when people thought AI was killing Google. But since then, it's up over 30%. Now, in today's call, their CEO pointed to the AI impact. He said AI is positively impacting every part of the business, driving strong momentum. So this comment just proves that this whole AI is killing Google narrative is false. I mean, looking at the slide, we can see that revenue has increased in double-digit percentage points in all the key areas that are affected by AI. However, one area which is concerning some investors is their capital expenditures. Like all other big tech stocks, Google is also ramping up their efforts in injecting cash with a massive 70% increase over the past year. In their earnings call, Google mentioned they had to increase their expenditures to build the infrastructure they need for AI. Now, looking at this comparison chart, we can see that Google's Gemini 2.5 model has stacked up fairly well against its competitors like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Elon Musk's Grok 3. So with all this said, the question comes down to, is Google fairly valued at its current price? Well, with the forward PE ratio of 20.12, they're still much cheaper than many of the Magnificent 7 stocks. So looking at price targets, analysts are calling for an average share price of around $203, suggesting another 5 to 6% in potential upside. With Google being such a powerful company, I expect the target price to be more so in the 210 to 215 range, just slightly below the high of 237. Now, this is partly because of OpenAI's addition of the Google Cloud platform, which could act as a major catalyst for the stock. One other key item to look out for is an upcoming court ruling that could seriously shake up Google. A judge is set to decide what Google has to do after being found guilty of running an illegal monopoly in search. The DOJ wants big changes like forcing Google to sell its Chrome browser and change how search works on Android phones. But Google's fighting back, so this will be something interesting to look out for as it could impact the way the stock moves. With that said, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one and let me know in the comments below if you'll be adding Google to your portfolio. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.